Let's talk about density. Should have learned about density probably last year and the year before, but let's quickly review some of it. And we did a couple gizmos on it. Okay, so let's go through the parts of density. Mass, that is the amount of matter in an object. SI units would be kilograms. Volume, the amount of space an object takes up. Look up the SI units. I'm telling you that one. Density, the awful definition is the mass per unit volume. That's the equation, mass divided by volume. Better definition that I like to use is how tightly packed the atoms are. If they're really, really tightly packed, very dense. If they're really, really spread out, very not dense. And we're going to look at a picture in a second. SI units for that is usually grams per milliliter or grams per centimeters cubed, which remember that a milliliter is equal to a centimeters cubed. And remember in the pig story we did cc's, so that means cubic centimeters, same thing. So in this case it asked you to find a picture and put it in here. So all I did is I searched the words density of atoms, and I found a couple pictures. Here's one right here. So here's how you take a picture from Google Images and put it into a Google Doc. All you gotta do is grab this picture. You grab this picture and you come up here and you put it into the section. Okay, so this is the same one. You may be able to find the same picture. And I'm going to put the link in here from there, so I'm citing where I got this picture from later. Okay, this is the high density picture. Notice they're very tightly packed. Okay, and then this is a low density picture where they're very, very spread out. This is one of my favorite questions, and we did a whole assignment on this, so you should be fairly good at this. I'm giving you 5 densities. What would happen if I put them into a graduated cylinder slowly? How would they sort themselves out? Which one would be on the top? Which one would be on the bottom? Density sorts by the most dense going to the bottom. So in this case, honey would be on the bottom. Okay? On top of honey would be corn syrup. Corn syrup would actually float on top of the honey. And I'll let you do the final 3